Hi there, I'm Corey McCain with WeStrive, and I'm going to walk you through this FAQ. I'll start with the Train with Me tab. You'll simply attach a survey you've created and turn on the application switch, which will make an apply button appear on your page. Once the client applies, they'll fill out your pre-built survey, which typically has questions like, what's your favorite exercise, where do you like to train, and anything else you like to put in there. Once they fill them out, you'll see them appear here in the pending section in the Clients tab, and you can approve them as a client from there. Next, we have pricing. This section is if you don't want to use WeStrive billing and simply just want to display what types of pricing you offer. You can add multiple plans and multiple tiers within those plans. I'll call this weight loss plan, say it's $300 for 3 months, $500 for 6, and then $800 for an entire year of training. What a steal. Then I'll add some highlights to it that are broken down with each bullet point. Finally, I'll add a full description and boom. Here's what it looks like from your landing page. Super easy for potential clients to follow. Finally, we have one of our key features, programs and packages, which will help you fully automate your business. Automated programs allow you to create a chain of programs that clients can subscribe to instantly without you having to lift a finger. We have some trainers that train hundreds of clients by strictly utilizing this method. You're going to start by taking this toggle on and then clicking Add Program. The simplest way to sell programs here is to add one program and then either bill your clients one time or on a monthly basis. If you want to bill monthly, WeStrive will continue to send a new program to your client every 4 weeks for as long as the program continues. The moment one 4-week program ends, the client will be billed, and once they've paid for that program, it will be unlocked. Your only job is essentially just making sure there's always another program at the end of the chain for them to follow. Once you've saved the program, you're ready to go. Keep in mind, once a program has been purchased by a client, it can't be edited. So make sure you're 100% ready before going live with your plan. Your potential clients will head to your website and see your programs. They'll click on one for more details, and then they can either sign in or sign up as a client. When they're a client, they'll simply push pay and then add in their payment info. They only have to add this information in once. After pushing pay, they'll be redirected to their homepage and a pop-up pushing them to download our app will appear. Side note, if you have a white labeled custom app, they'll see links and logos of your app. And that's it. The app will already have their program added to it, so all they need to do is just sign in and get started. As mentioned before, if you want that payment method to continue on a monthly basis, you'll need to create a program chain. We added this feature in case you built a program like a 4-week intro plan and then wanted to create a group of plans to go along after it that would be automatically assigned and unlocked for your clients once they've paid. All you have to do is click the little green chain icon and then add the program like you normally would. It will be added just like a regular plan, except this time it will be attached in a chain of programs immediately after the previous plan. You can add an unlimited amount of programs to a chain, and you can click this right here to change which plan is the first plan. Finally, if you want to add clients to the chain, simply just push the Add Client button. They won't be charged once they're added, but they will be charged when the next program in the chain starts. Now, let's talk about our, and quite frankly, my favorite feature, the program library. Let's say you've added a chain of weight loss plans, a chain of at-home workouts, and then a program for stretching, but you want to be able to sell these in a group for one price. We have you covered. For the library, we'll automatically pull the exact programs you already have on this page. Simply turn on this tab and push Program Library Settings to get started. Here, you can choose the currency you want to use, set multiple different pricing options, and then even add in a free trial. We recommend having at least 2 different pricing options. Maybe you charge $50 for 1 month, but then you charge $120 for 3 months, a savings of 20% for your clients if they buy more upfront. Once you've established your pricing, you'll copy your link and then push Save. The link is the same as your landing page link, but we've added /programs to the URL. This way, you can still send certain clients to your landing page to buy individual plans, but you now have the option of also sending them to the library to subscribe to all of your plans. Here's an example of a library page. As a client, I'll land here and choose my first program. Once I've selected my plan, I'll choose my pricing plan, make an account, and then pay. It's really as simple as that. After paying, I'll get a link to the app for either iPhone or Android, and my program will be already there when I log in. What's cool is all I have to do is push Add Program from my Train tab in the app, and I can add or remove any programs from the library at any time. It's truly an incredible way to grow your business through automation. Last but not least, we have packages. Packages are a way to charge clients on a one-time or monthly basis, but without the program attached. Simply just create a package and the pricing and go live. Clients will purchase the package on your landing page and then instantly become a paid client. And there you have it. If you have any questions, please reach out to help@westrive.com. Have an amazing day, and don't forget to keep striving.